there everyone, and welcome back to the Weather Centre. While most of South Africa has remained settled and dry today, up in Limpopo we've had a few showers and thunderstorms, especially in the northern parts of the province, while towards the Highveld and over parts of KZN it's been partly cloudy but generally dry. Let's look further eastwards once again towards Madagascar. Tropical cyclone Inawo continues to near the coastline of the island, and we are expecting the storm to make landfall later tomorrow. On our current satellite imagery, we can clearly see the eye of the storm, indicating how intense it really is. Surrounding that is heavy rainfall. We do have some rain bands already reaching the north coast of the country, and around that eye we also have very strong winds, gusts in excess of 200 kilometers per hour. The storm is going to head towards the west and southwest. It will make landfall tomorrow afternoon, bringing that hazardous weather along with it to the area. Now, along with the very strong winds, as mentioned, heavy rainfall is a real threat in this kind of situation. I want to point out the scale at the top of the screen. We can see that goes all the way up to 700 millimeters of rain. The areas in orange and yellow indicating more than 100 millimeters, but in particular I want to point out this area where we have the shading in black. That's more than 500 millimeters of rain that's expected over that area in the next 24-hour period, and we could certainly see some flooding taking place within that region. Let's go back to South Africa, where the settled pattern continues into this evening. A few showers up in the northern parts. Otherwise, it's going to be partly cloudy onto the Highveld, and a clear evening lies ahead for the western parts. Cloud cover is expected to thicken for some areas along the southern and eastern coastline. And as we head into tomorrow, a bit of light rain in the forecast for some areas along the Eastern Cape's wild coast and slightly further inland as well. Otherwise, it's going to be a partly cloudy day for much of the country tomorrow. A few showers are going to be drifting into the Lowveld once again. Those will be quite light, while dry weather is expected for Gauteng. Into the central parts, a couple of very patchy thunder showers could develop in the afternoon. Rainfall probability map for tonight shows very isolated thunder showers for Gauteng and the surrounding areas, but as you head northwards, the likelihood for rain increases with scattered thunderstorms in the northern parts of Limpopo for tonight. The western half of the country, on the other hand, remaining dry for this evening. Very warm overnight along the east coast, where it's also going to be humid, as well as into the Lowveld, keeping the temperatures above 20 degrees for those areas, and it's going to be mild over the high-lying parts of the country, including the Free State and towards the Western Cape interior. Tomorrow afternoon brings temperatures rising into the upper 30s for parts of the northern and western Cape. Hot for Cape Town at 31 degrees. A warm to hot day for Gauteng as well, and it's going to be another humid afternoon in KZN, but cooler for Bishu as well as East London, thanks to the thicker cloud that's expected in the area tomorrow. On Wednesday, it will be mostly dry and hot over the country. There could be a couple of thunder showers into the central interior, and the likelihood for rain increases as we head into Thursday, with showers expected for parts of the coastline and thunderstorms returning to Gauteng and the surrounding areas.